Today I will be replacing a camera lens on this iPhone 7 Plus. You will need a craft hobby knife and ideally a hot air station to soften the glue. You can do it with just isopropyl alcohol, which requires minimal investment and doesn't require an expensive hot air station. So what you want to do is just scrape away at the glue, removing as much as possible, preferably every last bit. You also want to get rid of all of the glass pieces left over. Here I'm soaking a cotton bud in isopropyl alcohol to get rid of any last bits of adhesive left over. Finishing off by scraping around the corners with a bamboo stick. Go and get your camera lens that you bought, peel off the adhesive on the back. Make sure you replace it the right way around. You don't want to get this part wrong. As you can see, one camera lens hole is larger than the other. If you're not sure which way to replace it back, just look on Google Images for your iPhone model and copy it from there. This one, it was the one in the corner. So just press that down while it's in place. Now you can go ahead and replace your camera. Ideally you should take your camera out before doing this. I suppose it's not necessary, but I prefer to, just in case, as I don't want to damage the camera module itself. So once we replace the camera, we'll just fit the phone back together, reconnecting the screen flexes and the battery connector. Let's go and power that up, see if it's working. Much better. As you can see, the rear camera is damaged on this device, so that will need replacing too, as well as the screen, which is cracked. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like, subscribe for more and comment down below with any questions.